Yo, what is up, guys? Brr, it's cold out here, and it's just another day of detailing this Cadillac Escalade. But we're near the finish line, and things are going well. But I started off today. I had a huge accident, and I was super worried. You know, it's nothing extreme or life-changing, but I had my GoPro, because I film all my videos on this GoPro. I had my GoPro in the box with my steamer, and hold on, let me dry this off real quick. I had the GoPro in the box with my steamer, and when I pulled the steamer out, I mean, this is like a 1 in a million chance. As I pulled the steamer out, the GoPro came out also, and I did it over a 5-gallon bucket filled with water. And the GoPro is waterproof, but I had the charger, I had a portable charger charging it at the time, and it actually, the charger and the GoPro with the waterproof hatch open fell right in the bucket of water, and faster than I could even think. I was able to reach in and pull it out, but it was completely submerged in water. So far I haven't filmed anything today working, and I've just had my the camera in a vent or a blower to dry it off. I had all the pieces pulled out. It seems to be working though, so shout out to GoPro, because the camera is working. And yeah, I mean, I'm recording a video right now on the GoPro after it was submerged completely in water. I don't know about the charger, but it looks like it charged the battery also, so everything seems to be working. So shout out to GoPro for making a solid camera. We'll find out. My chip is okay, everything seems okay. So I'm not too worried about it now, but when it happened, whew, was I freaked out. I was like, no, because I had my 500 gig chip in there, and you know, the batteries aren't cheap. I figured something was gonna break, and knock on wood, it hasn't broken yet. But that's it for my rambling on. I have a couple door panels to do, a seat or two to finish, and I'm gonna be done with this interior. All I will have to do is vacuum it out once again, or just wipe it down with a few things. But I'm gonna jump right into it now and throw it on a time lapse and get working again. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and the channel's growing, and we're gonna get there, man. We're gonna get there one day. We're gonna be a big channel together. So I was just actually sitting down in the Escalade. You can see the seats, they're not perfect, but they do look a lot better. But all right, man, let's get to it. I'm gonna go ahead, flip the camera around, and put on the time lapse. Yo, just to give you an idea of how dirty the truck is, these are my 2 buckets, and this was also, this blue one was the bucket I dropped the GoPro in. I mean, dude, it was tragic. But look at these buckets. I recycle this water every day. So this is from today, and all I do is this is my clean bucket with hot water. You know, and I'm using the steam cleaner. I literally will wring the rags out, like I dunk it in the clean, rig it in the dirt, dunk it in the clean, wring it in the dirty bucket. And you could just see how dirty this water is. And look, even the clean bucket, just from I'll wring out the rag first, then dip it, but still, look how much dirt is in the clean water bucket. And that's just how dirty this truck was. Yeah, it's like a cesspool of death. But I got all the door panels done, I got all the seats done. I was using my box tripod again. The new tripod's supposed to be here soon. Maybe today or tomorrow, it said. So, shout out to O'Reilly's for making tripods out of boxes. But, I do have a couple things I have to do to this seat because it's ripped up. And there's a couple more things I want to do. But, for the most part, this interior is rid of all the dirt, of the really grimy dirt. Now I can do like the polishing of the interior, or, you know, using some chemicals that will help the leather, or you know, just the final touches, make it polish it, make it look really good. So yeah, I'm on that step now. I didn't do this door jamb here, and I didn't do the driver's side door jamb. I don't know, sometimes I skip some steps. I definitely need to do those door jambs, but I can also do that at a later time. That won't be too detrimental. So I'm pretty much done with this interior. I'm gonna have to vacuum it a couple more times because we got to drive the truck, make sure that it runs okay. But I got all the really nasty, gritty dust and dirt out, so I'm super excited about that. We're making progress. I'm gonna be getting, tomorrow's gonna be a nice day, so you guys can see like the body. It's not just dirt. It's like it's caked on there. That's all got to come off because I'm going to be polishing this thing, and you know, you don't want dirt on there when you're polishing it, because just look at this. This is more dirt, but like, holy cow, it's so dirty. Yeah, we're going to get this body cleaned so I can polish this thing. I'm pretty much going to do a nice hand wash to it. I'm not going to record me hand washing it. It'll be still too cold, and it'll just take too much effort, I think. So you'll see it after it's washed, or maybe I might just like get a quick little shot of me washing it, or whatever. I don't know. Maybe I'll wash it. We'll see what happens when I get there. But yeah, we're gonna do that tomorrow, and then we're gonna be on the exterior of this bad boy, and I'm really excited about that. So, oh, you know what? I know in my last video I didn't get a finished shot of the trunk. This was from yesterday or whatever, but you could see I did the lines, and oh boy, is it clean. And that's with that insert, and I did the insert out of the car, but you could see how good that looks. That's just like a glimpse of what the rest of the truck is going to look. And I'm going to put some dressing on the plastic pieces, some natural shine dressing. It'll make it look a little bit better because you see there's some wear there. But we're getting there, man. I'm really excited. I'm going to be done with the interior after today, and at least the hard part of the interior, all the grime and grit, and I can't be more excited about that. So I'm going to continue working for a little bit today, and then I'm going to be getting on home. I got to go get myself a dryer. Like I said yesterday, my dryer broke, so I got to go get my dryer, a new one or a used one, whatever I can find. So thank you guys for watching right now. It means a lot to me. I know you've heard it before, so I'm not even going to bother to tell you, but I'll be catching you guys tomorrow when I'm starting to do the body of this thing and starting to do some polishing. I'm really excited about that because that is by far my favorite part of the process. I'm probably blinding you with my light. Yeah, that's gonna be that's my favorite part of the process, is the polishing of the body and getting the exterior finished. And I'm really looking forward to that because it's gonna make for a great video. So I think I'm pretty much done here for today. I'm gonna clean up and get my tools put away, and yeah, there's not much more I could do right now with the time that I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything cleaned up, and I'll be catching you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out.